News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh, Coal India Limited, High Court of Tripura, Agartala, Directorate of Special Projects, National Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhubaneswar, Sainik School, Amethi, and New Delhi Municipal Council. Let's begin with some information on National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh. The National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh was inaugurated on 18th August 2010 as a member of a group of 10 new NITs. Its vision is to transform into an acclaimed institution of higher learning with creation of an impact on the northeastern region in terms of innovation and entrepreneurship. And its mission is to generate new knowledge through state-of-the-art academic program and research in multidisciplinary fields to identify regional, Indian and global need to serve the society better, to create an ambience to flourish new ideas, research and academic excellence to produce new leaders and innovators, to collaborate with other academic, research institutes and industries for holistic growth of the students, and utilization of available big resources to encourage entrepreneurship through formation of startups. National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh, an institute of national importance under Ministry of Education, Government of India, invites applications from intended candidates for recruitment to one post of Associate Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering on direct recruitment basis. Last date for receipt of application hard copy is 17th May 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. Applicants are also advised to send soft copy of their applications to email ID registrar@nitap.ac.in or registrarcell@nitap.ac.in on or before last date of receiving of applications. Details of the post, eligibility conditions, prescribed format for applications, etc. are available at Institute website www.nitap.ac.in. Any subsequent change or amendment to this vacancy notice shall be posted in the Institute's website only. Coal India Limited CIL, a Schedule A Maharatna public sector undertaking under Ministry of Coal, Government of India, invites applications from eligible candidates for filling up 44 vacant posts of Senior Medical Specialist or Medical Specialist or Senior Medical Officer for CIL or WCL. For detailed information on eligibility criteria, number of post, age, reservation, process of applying, selection process, etc., please refer to the detailed advertisement at www.westerncoal.in. Closing date for submission of application is 30th April 2021. Any amendment or modification relating to this recruitment will be notified on CIL or WCL website only. For any queries, email at hrrecruitment.wcl@coalindia.in. High Court of Tripura, Agartala invites online applications from eligible candidates for filling up 13 vacancies in Grade 3 of Tripura Judicial Service instead of 6 vacancies as mentioned in the registry's earlier advertisement dated 1st February 2021. Candidates who have already applied for the post pursuant to advertisement dated 1st February 2021 need not submit fresh application. Detailed advertisement dated 1st February 2021, the corrigendum thereto and the syllabus etc. can be downloaded from the official website of the High Court of Tripura, thc.nic.in. Last date for submission of fresh application through online is 30th April 2021 up to 4 p.m. Date of preliminary written examination is fixed on 6th June 2021, Sunday. Online applications are invited from eligible candidates of Indian nationals for one post of consultant on temporary basis, initially for a period of 2 years in Directorate of Special Projects, Defence Research and Development Organisation, Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Only online applications are accepted. No applications are accepted by email, post or by hand, etc. For applying and terms of reference, visit the website rcilab.in. Last date for submission of online application is 30 days from the date of advertisement. Last date of receipt of applications for the post of Scientific Assistant C Computer dated 7th December 2020 is hereby extended as per the following in National Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhubaneswar, an autonomous institute under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. Last date for receipt of online application is 31st May 2021. Last date for receipt of hard copy of application at Recruitment Cell, National Institute of Science Education and Research is 10th June 2021. So desirous applicants are requested to follow the advertisement and apply online on www.niser.ac.in on or before the last date. National Institute of Science Education and Research will not be responsible for any postal delay in any manner. All other terms and conditions of the original advertisement shall remain unchanged. Principal Sainik School Amethi under the aegis of Ministry of Defence invites applications for the following post. Vacancies in academic staff are 1 post of TGT Sanskrit Regular, 1 post of TGT General Science Regular, 1 post of Art Master Contractual, 1 post of PTI or PEM cum matron female Contractual. Vacancies in administrative staff are 1 post of LDC Store Regular, 1 post of matron female Contractual, 3 post of General Employee Regular, 1 post of General Employee Electrician cum Pump Operator Regular, and 5 posts of General Employee Contractual, male 3 and female 2. For qualification, age and all other eligibility conditions to apply for a particular post and to download the prescribed application format, visit the school website www.sainikschoolamethi.com. Application should reach the school address on or before 8th May 2021, 1700 hours. Applications received after the due date will be treated as rejected. School administration reserves the right to cancel all or any of the vacancies due to non-availability of suitable candidates or administrative or policy reasons. For any queries, please contact administration through email at amethi@gmail.com. Applications from eligible candidates are invited to fill up the anticipated vacancy of 1 member in the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum CGRF of New Delhi Municipal Corporation NDMC in terms of the Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission Forum for Redressal of Grievances of the Consumers and Ombudsman Regulations 2018. Proforma of the application, Annexure 1 and 2 and the details regarding age, qualifications, experience and other conditions of eligibility etc. for the post are available in New Delhi Municipal Council's website www.ndmc.gov.in. Last date of submission of application is 30th April 2021. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.